no because no. Come on together, can all the people because now one of
Ezeji. Ezeji. A long time. We do a long time. We do. In fact. Bongo, you make a move, you make a move. Yeah. We are right in front of the United Nations building in Vienna, Austria, to present our case for the Zoo Nigeria to release our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, unconditionally.
Michael said the bullets cut to weapon and contacted his skin.
The person got here,
We are registered in Austria, and also it's our duty to inform the UN as the headquarters is here for them to do something, because what Nigeria do is Nigeria is international line. So we are need to do something. We have all the departments here that can do something against human trafficking, against international crime. So everything is here. Please, we send this letter to Executive Director Father Ghana, try and make sure that this letter will get so that to save life. This letter will save life in Biafra land.
Thank you. Well, thank you very much. Good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We'll make sure that she receives it in her office.
Please, a lot of injustices going on in Nigeria. Please.
I did some reading yesterday when I saw your announcement. We saw the case. We're aware of the situation there. Open source. So.
And we are suspecting that that's people that is blocking people from doing exactly what is going on. So I want you people to look deep. A lot of injustices going on. Killings. Daily. Killings. Thank you.
I understand. We'll make sure she receives it. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Amani ihe ha mere obi ebe nke ha mere because ọ na-aka kịta viral ụwa ga-ekwe by force.
We have one special message for one person. One man, there's one flake. This is a special number for him. That flake, when I say his name, he can say, Zobo Zobo, Enyimba, Joy Ibokwe, Enyimba, Zobo Ibokwe, Enyimba, Ibokwe, Enyimba, Zobo Ibokwe, Enyimba, Ibokwe, Enyimba, 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 All Biafra. You know why you want to tell you something for him? When Ibokwe said, the reason why this song will go to Joy Ibokwe, audience, IPOB, listen to me and listen to me carefully. Joy Ibokwe on his interview said, when you catch their leader, they will run away. And we want to tell him that our leader it's the zoo dungeon, but we are not in the way. Yes. So for that reason, we are going to support Joe Ibokwe and his entire family. Yes. So we Ibokwe, Ibokwe, Joe Ibokwe, Sabo, we Ibokwe,
Obi walking Diami, Obi one in Diami, Obi Awusarawashi, Obi Fulani Rashi, Obi Buhari Rashi, Obi Asimaya Taham, Obi Asimaya Beham, Obi one no water in it, Obi Umuna Udara, Obi 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 Awunin Army, Obi one in the army, Obi Asim Buhari Rashi, Obi Rashi, Obi Asim Buhari Rashi, Obi Kamomed Rashi, Obi Fulani Rashi, Obi Nanya Taham, Obi Nanya Taham, Obi Asimo Tainen, Obi Asimo Tainen, Obi 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 I got one arm.
Because of time. Our friends are waiting for us. They are looking on time. So for that reason, we are calling our national coordinator. Okay, before then, one motion for
Biafra wanting to go. Biafra wanting to go. Biafra wanting to go. Biko. Biafra wanting to go. Biko. Biafra wanting to go. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra.
I want everybody to come together. Everybody come together for this protest. This is another important time. No more discussion. No more gathering. Do together, standing together, talking. Please, we are coming to the end of this program. Please, if you will us, come closer, come closer, come closer. This is an important time. Please, we want to stand. We want to be silent. Oh,
Biafra.
Oh,
Biafra.
Oh,
Biafra.
we will not fail to respect those that died for this struggle. Yes. We will not fail to honor them. Many have died for many years. Many died yesterday. Many died today. Even many have died now. Yes. So let us stand in 1 minute silence in respect of our heroes, our heroes, those who get their lives for Biafra restoration. So, 1 minute silence, please. May the souls of the departed rest in peace. May they never rest in the sight of our enemies. May they keep on fighting until Biafra is restored. Now, our national coordinator is going to address us just like 1 or 2 minutes. Then we will sing our national anthem and then we will say goodbye to everyone.
Adios.
All hail
Biafra.
All hail
Biafra.
My brothers and sisters, I thank each and every one of us that come from different parts of Austria for today's protest here in United Nations. Our protest will end now by 2 o'clock according to the timetable and agreement with the Austrian police authority. Please, I want to remind everybody our next protest is on 26. If you look our flyer, if you look our message is going on, we already make the appointment with the day with police already, so we are not going to do any other extra thing, not just to be informing people about the 26th of July. It's our next protest at Nigerian Embassy and the British Embassy. They're all together. Please, we need crowd there, we need more of our people. I know some people could not make it today because of the area flow, because of the sudden information. But now we can plan from now till 26. We still have about 2 weeks and to prepare. Please inform our people that cannot be able to come today and it's on Monday, so there can be some people that may not take off, that cannot be able to take off on their work. They can from now prepare to take off on their work for 26. It's going to be very, very important. British is where we are going to face. We are going to stay a little bit far from where we normally stay in British embassies because of new rule now from the police. But what that will make difference from that particular day is when we come in big mass, it will make difference. People that are passing on the road, they will know that we are protesting, and we are going to prepare a lot of material more than what we have today. Both one we are going to be giving people, we are going to prepare enough things to give people the information to pass out. It's important. Please, I'm encouraging each and every one of us as we come today, we should try and come again on 26. We are not going to rest. The 26 is not the last day. It's to, after 26, we have to monitor the situation. The protest will continue. Please, but we keep on informing our people from different zones how this is going to be. I thank each and every one of us. Please, I pray to Chukwu Okabiama to guide each and every one of us. If we can come from different parts of Austria, as we come in peace, so we are going to go in peace. Thank you.
Sorry, let us not forget to keep on listening to Radio Biafra. Please, very important. Any news you are hearing from here and there, don't mind that news. Listen to Radio Biafra. There is where you get the accurate information you need. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. The coming Saturday, IPOB Vienna will have their meeting. Please, let everyone in Vienna attend the meeting. See how crowded we are in Vienna, but coming to the meeting, we are seeing few people. Please, I'm encouraging everybody to attend our meeting. See, so please give me your number so that I will send you everything if you.
Amalenki House.
Amalenki House.
Steve Gasset.
8th Street. 7th Street. But if you are interested, give me your number so that I will send you the message.
Please, national